video, we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Alappuzha city with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel at the best price.
Ramada by Wyndham is first up on the list. This is a 4-star hotel which is 10 minutes away from the city center, which makes it accessible to all the city center points. It has a really awesome outdoor pool alongside with a pool bar. The hotel also has an in-house restaurant, coffee shop, as well as a bar and a banquet facility. They have different categories of rooms available here, starting from 4,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees depending upon the room category you choose, and we have also attached the links in our description below. We have the Marari Beach Resort next up on our list. This resort offers a seaside village experience. It has a beautiful garden, an indoor and outdoor swimming pool, a game room as well as a yoga room. The hotel can also organize special dinners for your loved one along the beach side. The guests here can also enjoy the fresh catch of the day grill at their beach grill restaurant. They also provide 24-hour room service and 24-hour front desk facilities. The resort has different categories of rooms available, starting from 7,500 rupees which goes up to 18,000 rupees depending upon the categories of rooms that you choose. And you can find the links in our description below. The Flamingo Marari is next up on our list. This resort is ideal for fun and relaxation. It is 45 minutes away from the city center and it provides the best services such as an outdoor pool. They even have a spa and massage center, a yoga room, barbecue facilities as well as a coffee shop. They also have an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. The rooms here have a very vintage style feel, and they have different categories of rooms available, starting from 5,000 rupees which goes up to 8,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you choose. The Southern Paranoma houseboats is next up on our list. This is one of the biggest and the topmost houseboats in Kerala. It is extremely popular for fishing, canoeing as well as water sports. The houseboat has an on-site restaurant as well as a seating area. You wake up each day with beautiful views of the lake. The houseboat here has different categories of rooms available, starting from 5,500 which goes up to 15,000 depending upon the room category that you choose. We have also attached the links in our description below. The Kodai Lip is next up on our list. This is a 4-star hotel which is a great option for travelers looking for a resort in Alappuzha, which is just 1 hour away from the city center. The hotel has a beautiful outdoor as well as an indoor swimming pool. They also provide sauna and massage services at their Ayurvedic spa. You can also indulge in water sports which is available at the resort. They also have a multi-cuisine in-house restaurant, and they also have different categories of rooms available here, starting from 3,500 rupees which goes up to 5,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you choose.
If you're enjoying this video, please drop us a like button. Also do subscribe back to our channel so that you can get information about various hotel deals in different cities.
The Marari Villas is next up on our list. This villa is one of the only villas which provides access to a private beach area. This villa comes very well equipped with a kitchenette, a fridge, a tea and coffee set, and also a very big hall. The villa also has a beautiful garden wherein you can enjoy your barbecue sessions at dinner. It also has a beautiful outdoor pool. The guests here can enjoy private dining at the garden. The pool villas here are priced at about 8,800 rupees, and you can find the links in our description below. The Uday Backwater Resort is next up on our list. This is one of the most famous and popular 5-star resort in Alappuzha. This resort provides you with an indoor and outdoor pool. It also has a poolside bar. They also have spa services at the massage center. It also has a fitness center, a coffee shop, and as well as an in-house restaurant. This resort has different categories of rooms available, starting from 4,000 rupees which goes up to 9,500 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. The Lake Canopy is next up on the list. This is one of the 4-star hotels excellently located to provide access to the city's must-see destinations. It is also a great choice for travelers, offering an extremely relaxing and hassle-free stay. The hotel also has an outdoor pool. You can also enjoy boating, canoeing, yoga sessions, also a massage at the Ayurvedic center. The hotel has different categories of rooms available, and also the best part about it is that one of the room categories here has a private pool inside the room. So for those of you looking for a private pool, you can definitely opt for that. The rooms here are priced at about 4,500 which goes up to 12,000 rupees. You can find the links in our description below. Butterfly Cruise Alibi is next up on our list. This is one of the 3 stars reasonable option for travelers looking out for a houseboat in Alappuzha. The few services provided by this houseboat are the room services, medical facilities, front desk services as well as luggage storage facilities. You can enjoy the beautiful lake view from your private balcony. The rooms here are priced at about 4,500 to 6,500 depending upon the the room category that you choose. To make it easier, we have attached the links in our description below. The last one on our list is the Lake Palace Resort. This is one of the luxurious resorts that mixes the best that Kerala has to offer, from water sports to culture. This property is a private hideaway from those who want to escape on a romantic and peaceful getaway. It is a perfect honeymoon destination. To get here, you have to take a 20-minute boat ride. You can enjoy the beautiful sunset cruise. They also have a garden, a fitness center, and outdoor swimming pool. This resort has different categories of rooms available, starting from 4,000 rupees, which goes up to 6,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you choose, and we have attached the links in our description below.
That's it from us, guys. These are the top best hotels in Alappuzha city. We hope you've helped to select the best hotel for your stay. This is Divya from Madira Travel signing off. We wish you a safe and a pleasant journey. Bye bye.